Work English. Job conversation practice for beginners. A1 to A2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very important for your career.
Yes, today we will learn English at work.
This is very useful for job interviews, meetings, and talking to colleagues.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go to work.
Part 1. Job interview.
Hi, Lucy. I have a job interview today.
That's great. Good luck.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
What do they usually ask?
They ask about your experience and your skills.
Okay, I will do my best.
You will do great, I'm sure.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
I have a job interview today.
Good luck.
I'm a little nervous.
Just be yourself.
I will do my best. Part 2. First day at work. Hi, I'm new here.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is David. I'm the new marketing assistant.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Lucy. I work in HR.
Nice to meet you too. Where is my desk?
It's over there, near the window.
Great. I like the view.
Do you need help with anything?
Yes, where is the restroom?
It's at the end of the hallway.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
I'm new here.
Nice to meet you.
Where is my desk?
It's over there, near the window.
Where is the restroom?
It's at the end of the hallway. Pause the video. Quick question. Where is David's desk?
Think about it. Say the answer out loud.
Great. The answer is near the window. Let's continue.
Part 3. Talking to colleagues. Hi, are you busy?
Hi, David. No, I have a few minutes.
Great. I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
Can you help me with the computer system?
Of course. It's easy. Let me show you.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
No problem. Ask me anytime.
You are very kind.
That's what colleagues are for.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Are you busy?
No, I have a few minutes.
Can you help me?
Of course. It's easy.
I'm still learning.
Ask me anytime.
Part 4. Asking for help. Excuse me, I don't understand this document.
Let me see. Oh, this is the sales report.
What do I need to do with it?
You need to check the numbers and send it to the manager.
How do I send it?
You click Send and type the manager's email.
Okay, I think I understand now.
Do you need me to help more?
No, I'm okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Good job.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
I don't understand this document.
You need to check the numbers.
How do I send it?
You click Send and type the email.
I think I understand now. Pause the video. Can you remember what does David need to send?
Think about it. Say it in English.
Yes, the answer is the sales report. Well done. Part 5. Making a phone call. Hello, can I speak to Mr. Johnson, please?
Hello, who is calling?
This is David Smith from marketing.
Just a moment, I'll transfer you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, he's in a meeting right now.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, of course. What is your message?
Please tell him I will email the report today.
Okay, I will give him the message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Can I speak to Mr. Johnson? Who is calling? This is David Smith. He's in a meeting right now. Can I leave a message? I will give him the message. Part 6. Writing an email. Lucy, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
How do I write a professional email?
Start with Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Mrs. Smith.
What about a colleague?
You can say hi or hello for colleagues.
Then what?
Write your message clearly. Say why you are writing.
And at the end?
End with best regards or sincerely.
Thank you. That really helps.
No problem. You will get better with practice.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
How do I write a professional email?
Start with Dear Mr. Johnson.
Write your message clearly.
End with best regards or sincerely.
That really helps. Thank you.
Pause the video. One more question. How do you start a professional email?
Think about it. What did I say?
Yes, Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Mrs. Smith. Good job.
Part 7. Saying goodbye. Lucy, I'm leaving for the day.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Thanks for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too. Are you leaving too?
Yes, I'm leaving in about 10 minutes.
Okay. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Practice. Repeat after us.
I'm leaving for the day.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening.
Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.
Full conversation practice. Now let's put everything together.
I have a job interview today.
Good luck. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thank you. I'm new here. My name is David.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lucy. How can I help?
Where is my desk? I don't understand this document.
Let me help you. It's easy.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Final practice.
Let's repeat important sentences one more time.
Listen and repeat.
I have a job interview today.
Nice to meet you.
Can you help me?
I don't understand this document.
Can I leave a message?
Have a good weekend.
Amazing.
Outro. Great job today.
Now you can speak English at work.
You are improving every day.
Practice again and again before your next job interview.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
do you use English at work?
What is your job?
Write your answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.